What's up, you beautiful animals? Gotta go with Ryan to, we had to pick up his boss's dog, and now we gotta go drop her off at the boss's house, so I'm gonna go with him. Should be able to get some good footage for you guys. It's gonna be a good day. Let's go. How's it going? This is Cindy's dog.
My boss's dog.
It's really, really cute. We had to pick her up. Come here. You gotta sit with me. You literally have to sit with me for him to drive. Uh-oh. There we go. We're good. Are we good? What? If you would have braked any harder, she would have went flying forward. That would have been hilarious. See all the people.
Okay, that's...
See all the people.
I saw them at Dixie Cafe early last month.
Oh, well then. Still curious about the window. Like, what's all this? What is all this? We're gassing it. Back up. She doesn't know what to do. We made it. You're home. You excited? I think she knows.
No.
I think she knows.
Should be in there.
She's so cute. What? She's excited. She's aware that she's home, which is crazy. Probably never even sees the outside of her house. Like, I've never even been here.
I have, but it's been long. It's been years.
Like, dude, this place is killer.
It's good. Okay, you're gonna have to be carried because
This is a nice freaking place.
Thermostats in the living room on the wall with the white couch. Okay, let's get him somewhere. I might need you.
Yeah, you can put her down. Uh-oh.
Nope.
Well, you're rich if you have a piano.
From the garage. Let's see.
Yeah, she doesn't even have Blu-ray, but she's got this massive... Probably you guys can't even tell how big this screen is, but it is literally ginormous. I feel like we broke in.
That's what I feel like.
So, we just figured out that the instructions from his boss was feed her, water her, and turn the TV on.
For her. It's her own TV. That no one else
For that
has.
little dog in there. Her own... Cindy's rich.
Just a little bit.
That is the meaning of rich. Dog is spoiled rotten. I mean, look at her. Glowing! Glowing!
And the little door thing says spoiled rotten Yorkie lives here.
And that is very true. Right there, there she is. Spoiled rotten. You're cute though. Alright, you're fed and you got water. Now what? She's like, I'm gonna nap now in the sun. See you later. Bye-bye.
I think that's it.
Alright, so time to leave the rich person's house. Play Jurassic Park.
Dakota got it.
Boom. Right. Out here.
Yeah.
All the smoke covering the street.
It's like a Jack the Ripper scene. Just imagine
Totally
like a dude
is, dude.
standing
It's
in the
just like a
middle.
spotlight right here.
There's just a dude standing right in the middle of the road with a knife looking right at us, but you only see
I'd be
his
done.
black.
I'd be done,
screaming.
bro. Oh. Guy. There we go.